What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2026 Kia K5 unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working and our vehicle's locked. So what we're going to need in order to do this is our key fob, which again the battery's out of, but then we also have our emergency key that's attached to the key ring. And this is in kind of a sheath. That sheath will just pull off like that, leaving us with our emergency key. Now I'm going to use this key to remove this cap on the driver's door. If we take a look underneath this cap, you can see there's that little notch right there with kind of a button in there. So with this hand, I'm going to pull the door handle open a little bit. Then I'm going to push that key straight up in that notch and then just kind of wiggle it a little bit. And that cap will come off like that. Now I'm going to take my key, put it in this slot, and we're going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise to unlock. Now, as soon as I open the door, the alarm's going to start going off. How we're going to stop the alarm from going off is we're going to start the vehicle. How I'm going to start the vehicle with the dead key fob is I'm going to press the brake, and then I'm going to use the top of the key fob to press the stop start button. I'm going to show all this to you. I'm just going to be going kind of quickly, and the alarm's going to be going off. So get in, press the brake like you normally would. Then I'm gonna take this and press the stop start button like that. And then as you heard there, once the vehicle starts, it will stop the alarm. And then the only other thing you'll wanna do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And also, one thing I'll mention is on this cap, in order to get this cap back on, you'll just open the door handle and that'll just pop straight back on. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.